Hi, and welcome to this meditation for self-love. I'd like to invite you to gently close your eyes and take a nice, slow, deep breath in, deeper than you've taken all day so far. And as you exhale, concentrate on the sound of my voice, allowing it to ground you into the present moment. And give yourself permission right now to focus on you, making yourself your first priority. There's nowhere else you need to be. There's nothing else you need to be doing except giving yourself this time for your own care, for your own well-being. And continue breathing, allowing each inhale to be a bit deeper than the one before it. Feeling your lungs expand out as you inhale, and feeling everything contract back in as you exhale. Returning your breath now to its normal pattern and its normal rhythm. But continue to follow the journey of your breath through your entire body. Feeling it weave in and out of your muscles and your cells. Allowing it to still you and ease any tension or tightness you may be feeling. Now I'd like you to turn your attention to the bottom half of your body. Everything from your hips all the way down to the tips of your toes. Breathing into them. Noticing any judgments that come up about any of these areas. We all have parts of our body that we wish were different, but instead of judging them, now turn your focus to sending love and appreciation into these areas. Shifting your focus now to your upper body, from your stomach to the crown of your head. Feeling into these areas, noticing any tension or tightness you may be having. and breathing into that area to help it release. Noticing any judgments that come up in these areas. And gently replacing that judgment with love and appreciation. Now begin to call to mind other parts of yourself that you've held in judgment in the past. Maybe a thought pattern or behavior you exhibited. Maybe it was a choice you made or something you said you wish you could take back. Maybe a time where you felt you could have handled something better. And look at it from a place of total curiosity. Watch the judgment come up, because it will. And watch the stories that you've told yourself about the situation come up, because they will too. And then gently let those go and offer yourself forgiveness. Knowing that you were doing the best you could at that time. And now, as we move into the silent part of the meditation, continue this journey on your own, calling to mind any parts of yourself that you hold in judgment. And giving them unconditional love, acceptance, and forgiveness. Continue breathing with your eyes closed. Let your attention start to focus back on my voice. When we judge parts of ourselves, we actually hold them separate from us. And if we're holding parts of ourselves separate, then we can't feel whole. Real self-love is holding our light with the dark, of loving those parts of ourselves unconditionally we previously held in judgment. No one else can do this for us. Give yourself all the love that you need. It's inside you. Now let's take 3 more deep breaths together. A deep inhale in, holding it for a beat, and exhale it out. Again, an even deeper breath than the one before, feeling that breath weave in and out of all of your muscles and cells, and exhale out. Last time, your deepest breath yet, sending that oxygen all the way down to the tips of your toes. And as you exhale, feel it traveling back up your body. And when it hits the top of your head, and you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this meditation and giving yourself this gift.